There we go. Hi, chickens. Wow, now that I finally got the recording to work, everyone's just not talking.
I mean, that's kind of how it works. But you knew that.
I want one to stand on me, but they're so comfy and still trying to chill.
And they're trying
They
to...
were practically burnt alive.
Yeah, idiot.
Henceforth, I say, trying to chill.
Chill. We could put them in the fridge.
Hey, no.
I don't want any frozen nuggets either.
Hey,
They
can I
won't
just
freeze.
say,
That's the thing. It's a
can
fridge.
I just say,
Oh, birdie.
I feel like I just woke up, but I woke up at like maybe 9.
I woke up earlier than you. That's all I know.
Yeah,
You know, Molly,
and it's almost 1.
they don't have enough body heat to survive a fridge.
That's
Why?
probably
Why
true.
did you raise your voice when you did that? It makes, I don't.
Because I do that to emphasize a point. You want to play more Skylanders?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, hi, baby.
And we're going to let chickens crawl.
But Molly, you put your full name on it.
Yeah, I
Wait,
know.
what? Oh gosh. Hi, honey.
Oh my gosh, she's so shiny. It's weird.
Yeah, I know. You can barely see her.
I got a baby. I got a baby.
Remember the
Please don't
secret
jump on my
code you
phone.
made of her
Please
mom?
don't jump on my phone.
Hi, honey.
Molly, remember you made a giant paper thing of
It's okay,
your
baby.
Skylander.
Aww.
Oh, you have a visitor.
Hello, visitor.
You're gonna
Come sit.